about how can you fix this problem on your laptop. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Bulge app, or just click here on search. So then here you add here Bulge app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.